last check. Finally put the horseshoe on it. That's what I'm gonna call it right here. That's the last piece. After you get it all installed, that was no fun. And then that's what the back looks like. I put the date on it. I'm gonna install it. See how long it lasts. That's what it looks like. And now we need a cover here. I think that's about it. So there you go. Those are the new discs installed. No more crazy noises in the bottom. So here's a quick look at the crappy rubber pieces that we're going to change. As you can see, they're all wobbly. So that's one. The other one is all the way in here. And they make a racket, as you can see.